Hello, in today's video we will pop the bonnet open. So obviously you will think there's no need of a video for this, just pull the handle, raise the bonnet and pop it open. Obviously. I've obviously thought of that, but as this car has been, let's say, off the road since the year 2000, well, few things start going wrong, like the bonnet. It looks like the system inside here is completely jammed. So obviously pulling the handle just does nothing. So I thought that maybe this was just for this car for the time it's been off-road. So I've been a bit on the internet, search a little bit for some solutions, and it looks like I'm not the only one. It looks like this is, I wouldn't say it's a common problem, but this does happen on that particular model. So let's see what we can do. So now we're gonna try the first solution. Obviously if we pull this to its full, nothing happened, and it only comes back to the middle. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna pop this open. I'm gonna remove this to have access to the handle, and then I'm gonna try dismantling the mount and pulling it further and see if we got a bit of luck. If not, we'll have to find an alternative. To remove that cover, I'm gonna remove 3 screws here and 1 here, and then we pull it open. Now that I've removed the screws, we can pull that part. It's held here behind by 2 clips, 2 plastic clips. So be very careful when you remove it. This is the cover I've just removed, and as you can see, the clips are held here, here and there. So when you pull it by the bottom, it's best to slide it down after, so like that it unclips from here. Now we're gonna remove that piece of plastic that goes for the air vent. It's held by 2 screws here and 1 on this side, and we pull it out. I've now removed the part. As I've told you, a screw here on this side and 2 on this end. Okay, now we're gonna go for the handle. To remove the handle, we now have to remove 2 screws that are here, and we pop it open. Now that we have the handle with us, what we're gonna do is pull the whole thing, and hopefully we'll hear a pop. Yes, it has opened. So now let's see the surprise we're gonna have below the bonnet. Okay, first time open after many years. Let's see what we're gonna find. Okay, good. Ta ta ta! Oh my god! Rats, rats and rats. Okay. Oh no. This is therefore what am I dealing with. The rats have eaten a lot of things, so obviously I will have to double check everything has eaten this as well. I can see, and here, well, sometimes they eat this as well. It does happen, but big job, and I will have to redo all the electrics as well. so I will have to go through the whole car and see what's happening. I'll place the pressure washer inside anyway and see what comes up. Okay, sometimes they tend to go inside the air filter. So if you got a problem with rats, just be very careful, because when people start the engine, the rat go inside and the engine get tits up. So this is how we open the bonnet in case it would refuse to open with the lever. Okay, before to mount everything back together, clean this very nicely. Highly likely it doesn't open because it's all grease on it and sticky, and then it doesn't open as it should. Okay, so if you remove all the old grease on it and place new one, then before to mount it, just check it, make sure it works properly, and then mount everything back together. To mount it back together, it's very easy. It's exactly the same thing as we did, but in reverse. Okay, plain and easy. So if you have had that problem, or if you have that problem, I hope that video would have been useful, and we'll see each other in the next one. Thanks for watching. See ya.